everyone. Today we will be dissecting the hibiscus flower. In school, we are learning different parts of a flower. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the sepal. The sepal is this part right here that the flower uses to store its bud before it's bloomed. Now, let's take a look in the inside parts. I'm going to need to cut a slit here, so fair warning to all the children, I recommend parental help in cutting this. Now let's talk about this. This is the petal. The flower uses the petal to help attract bugs, which will take the pollen and put it on the stamen. I'm going to rearrange all these into different sections for you to understand. The sepal keeps the buds ready until it's ready to bloom. These are the petals. The flower uses the petals to attract bugs to pick up the pollen and put it on the stamen. Alright, now we are going to open the ovary so we can see what's inside. Reminder, this involves a sharp knife, so kids, I recommend you get parental help. Do you see those little seeds there? Those are known as the ovules, which are the unfertilized seeds stored in the ovary around it. Now, the other parts are called the stamen, which is also known as the anther and the filament. The yellow pieces here are the anthers. They're the pollen that go into the stigma, which goes down to the ovary to make the fertilize the seeds. The red part here is known as the filament. It what sticks the pollen out so it rubs onto the insect's feet and legs. Now let's review the parts. These are the sepals, which store the buds until they're ready to sprout, to bloom. These are the petals. They attract bugs who keep their feet on the pollen, which goes into the stigma, which helps the ovary fertilize the eggs. Then we have the unfertilized eggs called ovules. And then we have the ovary, which surrounds the ovules until they're ready to turn into seeds and fall down to make new plants. Then we have the stamen, also known as the anther and filament. Then we have the stigma and the style. Alright, I chose the hibiscus flower because its structure is very simple and easy to understand. There are more complex flowers, such as the sunflower. Unfortunately, I don't have any sunflowers, but if you have some, I really recommend that you dissect it so I can learn from you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.